In this video, I'm going to be showing you a stone yard, a place where you can go and buy slabs of marble, slabs of granite. I've already done a few videos showing the exceptional quality of the stonework that I saw in India, but this is the raw material. This is how it comes from the shop. And why I'm sharing it with you, well, I'll get back to that at the end of the video.
So this is the granite?
This is all granite, yes.
Okay.
क्या रेट है ये वाला?
ये 100 रुपये
100 रुपये स्क्वायर फुट.
Okay. And what's this?
मार्किनो
Just a different variety of granite.
150 रुपये
That's granite?
A different variety, yes.
ये तो अंदर लगा नहीं क्या पता
ड्राइंग रूम में अंदर.
ये तो सारा ग्रेनाइट
अच्छा. And expected wastage is 15%.
Breakages and stuff.
Like this corners, like this one is.
And the wane here from, yeah.
Like a railway, 130.
चाहे तो साइज हिसाब से रेट है वो 32 64 था 130 रुपये कम में जाओगे.
Do they have any Rajasthan marble to just compare?
Rajasthan only.
Which one?
This is all from Rajasthan only.
But this is granite. Where's the marble? Well, this, because
Here it's all these days. Like this big fancy store, they only sell this.
they'll only sell granite. They won't sell the marble.
Like low cost this thing.
Marble's low cost. Look at the colour in that. Damn. Yep. That actually feels kind of nice though.
Yeah.
So this is a polished.
Yes.
So this one's polished.
All these are polished, but
Right.
they've done some extra stuff to make it non-slippery. And this is also in trend.
And these are 18 mil approx. It looks like it's covered in holes, but it's solid. Even this fault here. Can you ask if this is a weak point in the piece, or is it just a? Yeah, but is it a weak point? No. That's gorgeous. Damn.
ये ग्रेनाइट अलग अलग पीस
Fitting and polish.
Okay. Could I have a look inside?
Pull it up.
Yeah, but look at the colour.
Is it good or no?
Ah, for an Australian eye, yeah, I don't know what it's like for an Indian eye, but for an Australian eye, the book matching, opening it up like that, and this is all one block of stone.
Yep.
So it's consistent all the way through.
All similar.
Yeah. Oh, they've got some round back to front here. Yeah. And can we have a look inside this one? Like I could open it myself, but if it fell and broke.
I think you can put some water on this if you really.
Yeah. Yeah. Can we do that?
So water will give some.
Yeah.
थोड़ा पानी डाल के देखते हैं. हेलो. हाँ जी, क्या हाल है जी? ठीक हो?
Right.
बस जी सब बढ़िया, फर्स्ट क्लास.
Thank you.
Finger tight.
Yeah.
सब बढ़िया,
Yeah.
आप सुनाओ. हाँ जी.
Damn. And look, they've got them all numbered, so they know the order. So when they're laying the floors, they can grain match them. Wow, that was incredible. Beautiful stones. And these stone yards are all over the shop. And look at this one. Oh, geez Louise.
Now, the pace of development in India is phenomenal. It is so fast and people's lives are drastically improving. But there's still a phenomenal level of poverty, particularly in the agricultural sector. And since the agricultural sector is 60% of employment, that's a big deal. And the incomes of farmers are depressingly low, let alone the labourers who work on those farms. So what we're looking to do is set up a number of different agricultural products where we can improve productivity and improve incomes, improve the standard of living, improve the quality of water, improve the quality of food that people are producing, selling, eating. But to do that, we are going to be setting up some other businesses to provide cash flow, which we can then invest in the agricultural products. And one of the things that we're considering is importing granite and marble from India. Because the quality, the colour is just stunning. And if there's a market for it here in Australia and other places around the world, then we can use the profits that we get from those sales to fund the humanitarian development, the agricultural development projects that we want to do. So if you have a hunkering for a marble floor, please get in touch because you will be surprised at the prices that we can do if you're pre-ordering. Now check out the staircase to my room. Not only is it marble, but it's grain matched marble.